everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Michael Mann with Affiliate Rookie, and today, part of our series that we've been doing with how to do things in Influencersoft, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google form inside your website as well as your landing page. Because I know some people want to use surveys in their landing pages or even on the website to get some data from different type of products they're promoting, or even type of basic information that they want to get. So today I'm going to show you how to embed a Google form inside, again, your website and your landing page by using Influencersoft. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this video, hit the subscribe button. So let's jump into the back end and I'll show you how to get this started, okay? Okay, so we're logged on to the dashboard of the back end of the platform. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the web page first, okay? So let me just say one thing. When you're setting up your Google form and adding it to your website or to your funnel, make sure you go to Google Forms and set up your form that you want to use first, okay? And that's very simple and easy. You can go in and set it up. You can find some videos on it. But if you want me to show you a video on how to set up a Google form, I can do that. But there will be a link at the bottom of this video to where to get the forms from Google. Just click on it, and if you have a Google account, just go in there and create your form and then follow these instructions, okay? So we're going to start with the website first, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to website, and then you're going to go to your site name or any name that you have. You have multiple domain names here. And of course, you can choose any web page you want to use, okay? So I have pages set up already because it takes a while for them to upload and all that stuff. So I've already pre-set up pages for the funnel and for the website, okay? So what you do is you'll have your page here, and then what you do is you edit. Okay, here we go. It's doing it. Okay. And this is very simple. It's really simple to do, okay? Very, very simple. Now, you can also add your form in during the process as you're building out your website or your funnel. I like to do is build everything out and then add the necessary things that I want to add to the funnel or the web page, because you're not thinking about that process into the end, or you're not thinking about the process really at all. So me, I like stuff organized. So when I'm building out my page or building out a funnel, I like to see where I'm going to put my format. Then I will leave that section in. As you can see, this section's here. So this is the section I'm going to remove, and that's where I want my form to go. So what you do is don't delete anything here, because you want it to line up with this. Okay, you want it to have a nice space and everything. So what you do is you'll go to Google Forms and you'll find the form that you want. So today we're going to use a feedback form, okay? And then you, like I said, you would design your form to what you want it to be. It could be any size, it could be anything you want it to do, okay? So once you have designed your form, what you're going to do is go to Send. And this is where you will find the HTML code, okay? And that would be right here, okay? Now, I always change the width to 500, okay? That's what I do, okay? Then I will go back over here, and then I will go into, click on anything inside the form, it's the web page, and hit element. And then I will get the HTML code, which is, they call it code, and move it over here. Now what I would do is make sure where you want to place it at, there's a blue line, okay? I want it here, okay? So once it's here, then I can start deleting all of these things here, because I want to make sure that this is lined up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all this, and okay, and then I'm going to delete this. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and get my code. I'm going to copy it. And another reason why I do 500 is because when I place it, I don't want it to be on top of this. I want it to be a space between here. So to do that, I make sure that it's 500, but you can also add a space in between to make sure there's a space. So we're going to do that as well. And what you do is you're going to put it right next to here and give it a space, okay? So then you go back to get the code, copy the code, and then what you're going to do is go back to your form, your website. You're going to click on the code form, and it's going to open this column here It'll be on the left side or right side, depends where you have this at. And this is where it's going to open the widget code. So what you do is you just copy and you just paste that code in there. And then you hit outside, and then what you'll do is you'll hit save. Okay, so when this is done saving, it's going to show up here that it's been saved correctly. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to back out of it, hit yes, and then you're going to see it here. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to hit save, and then it's going to take you back to where your page setup is for your website. So you're going to click on that page again, and then you're going to right click to view it. And then you're going to go view it. Okay? And then this is what it looks like. This is what your page looks like when it's added on. Now, as you notice that there's a separation, this is not on top of that. Now, if I didn't put the space between here, sometimes this will be on top of that and it'll be really cluttered. But you can see how clean that looks. Very, very clean. So that's how you add a Google form to your website. Now let's do it for your funnel, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your funnel. Again, I have preset this up because it takes a while to get these to update and stuff. So I'd rather just have it set up already, okay? Because I don't want this video too long. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna edit, okay? And then you're gonna go and edit again. Okay, so it's like I said, it's not very difficult to do this. Okay, so we're using this type of landing page. So this is a landing page funnel type thing. Okay, you can, like I said, you can choose any of the pages you want. You're just gonna have to play with it too a little bit to figure out this works right. Okay, so what I would do is I will go in here, get element, and I will drag the code in. Okay. Now, you can leave this like this and leave it like that, but I would remove this top column, which is a section, and then what I would do is I would remove everything else. Okay. So we're doing that right now. Okay, and then I will remove this and remove this. And one more section here. Okay, so this is where I want my Google form to go. Now, I've created another form, so I'm gonna get out of this one and I'm gonna go back to where I created the second one. And then I've created a small short one, which I'm gonna use right here. And again, you have to play with it to determine what size you want it to be. So you would hit send again, and then you would get the code. Now, this again, I want it to be 500. Hit middle, whatever, copy the code, go back to the funnel, click on this, and it's going to open the widget again where it says the code, and you're going to paste it in there. Again, once you're done with that, you're going to hit save. You're going to wait for it to show save on top, which it did, and you're going to back out of it, and you're going to hit yes. Now, what you can do is, if your funnel has not been activated, when you preview it, it's going to say, do you want to save and enable the funnel? So you'll hit yes, so you can preview it. And then hit the thing again, so you can preview again, and you can see, there it is. Your Google form has been added to your funnel. Now, again, if you want this longer, you'll have to play around with it to see where exactly you want it on your funnel. This is just basically where I put it at. Again, you use the Google Forms all kinds of ways, as contact pages, as feedback pages. So a lot of customers that I work with sometimes would just use this to build a funnel to send out an email for a questionnaire. And then what you can do is you can track that information in your Google Forms. And then you can see who has actually responded back to it and all that stuff. So again, you can see that in this data. The data will pop up and tell you exactly how and when people responded and all that stuff. That's what Google's form is for. Again, it's very simple and very easy to do your form. So this is how you add a Google form to your website, and this is how you add a Google form to your landing page. Again, you can put it on any page as long as you think it looks good. That's what you should do. And if you need spaces, add some spaces to make it look more presentable and more cleaner. Okay, so If you have any questions or comments or have any issues and you want to know more about how to do this, leave some comments in the comment section underneath this video and I'll get back to you and let you know. And if you have any videos you want me to do about Influencersoft on how to do things, put comments in the video as well. Okay? So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more content like this video, hit the subscribe button. This is Michael Mail with Affiliate Rookie. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one, and you have a great day. Bye.